Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a farmer F1 has a land in the shape of triangle with vertices at this, and this. Okay. From this land, let's try to draw the diagram. Look at this. So it is 0, 0. So this is 0, 0. Then it is 2, 0. Suppose it is 2, 0. This is 0, 0. And we have 1, 0. So this is your 1, 0. 1, 1, sorry. Okay. So we got our points done. So we have P, we have Q, we have R. Okay. From this land, a neighboring farmer F2. So there is another farmer F2 takes away the region which lies between the side PQ. They're talking about this side, okay? PQ and the curve y equals x power n is greater than 1. So look at this. Suppose that if you will take a number, like in this part, if you'll observe, the graph of x power n will go this way. This is x power n. Okay. Now, so they have taken this area. Okay. The farmer F2 has taken this area. Now, if the region of the if the area of the region taken away by the farmer F2 is exactly 30% of the area of the triangle PQR, then find the value of n. Now try to understand how we will connect the dots. So suppose that we need to find out the area of shaded region. Okay. So look at this. So you know that we have to integrate till 1 only. Okay, we will go with the dx. So we have 0 to 1 and then we have dx. Now be super slow. Suppose that we have to find out the area of the shaded region. You know how to find out area below the curve. Suppose I am asking you to find out the area below the curve this. So if you will do the integration, you will get the area this. Correct or wrong? Yes, it's correct. Now suppose that if you will be handling x, so you will get which area? You will be getting below x area, correct? So suppose you have calculated this area x, okay, and then you are trying to calculate the area because of the curve this. So you will get this area, correct? Now try to understand that if I will subtract the bigger area minus smaller area, sorry, it's not 2, it is n. So if we will remove bigger area minus smaller area, don't you think that we will get the shaded region area? Okay, so we are trying to calculate this area. So according to us, area would be this, but according to them, they are saying that the area taken away is the 30% of the area of the triangle PQR. So can I say that it would be 30% of area triangle PQ and R? Now try to calculate this area. So it is x square by 2 minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. You have to substitute the limit 0 and 1. Is that clear? Now 30% means what? 30 by 100. Percent is off into. Now look at this. If you will focus on the area of triangle is half, then base. What is the base? Base is 2. half into base into height. What is the height? Height is 1. So half base height is 1. Now substitute the value. If you substitute, you will get 1 by 2 minus 1 by n plus 1. If you substitute 0, it will end up being 0. Comfortable? Okay. Now look at this. So now you can play Fruit Ninja. This thing done. This thing and this thing done. So look at this, how we will respond. So I will take the variable part on one side, n plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10. So can I multiply and divide by 5 to make the base common? So it is 5 minus 3 by 10. So it is 2 by 10. So can I say that it is 5? So if you'll observe, you can say that, sir, n plus 1 is nothing but 5. Therefore, n equals to 4. I hope the idea is clear. You got the concept, and now onwards, you guys can handle similar situations. Okay? So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.